Assalamu alaikum. I'm Yasser Ali in front of you with my channel Yasser Ali Academy. I hope everybody is fine. Today, the thing which I'm going to discuss in today's class that will be idiom. In previous tutorials, I have discussed short lectures or recorded short lectures about idioms, but today I will discuss idioms in detail. So, let's start. The topic for today will be idiom. In Urdu, it is called Mahavra. What is that? I will give you a brief definition of an idiom. What is that? An idiom is a short expression idiom is a short expression which doesn't give meaning according to its individual word order. Basically, when you go through idioms, there are so many idioms and there are so many books. Idioms are used according to the situation, but whenever you are going through some idiom and you are going to use it, or somebody is going to use it, so you will definitely observe that the meaning of that particular idiom will not be according to its individual word order. What I mean to say कि जो भी idiom या मुहावरा इस्तेमाल इंग्लिश में किया जा रहा है, जो अल्फाज लिखे जाते हैं एग्जैक्ट उन्हीं अल्फाज के हिसाब से तर्जमा नहीं बनाया जाता, यानी आप लिखते कुछ हैं और तर्जमा कुछ बनता है. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इट डज नॉट गिव मीनिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स इंडिविजुअल वर्ड ऑर्डर. Idioms are used according to the situation to convey one's message indirectly. So it shows that whenever we would like to convey our message indirectly or in a covered form, that movement we are going to use idiom. So in other words, we can say idiom is a source which can help us in conveying our message in an indirect or in a covered form. Whenever you don't want to say or convey your message directly in open words, in simple words, so that movement we are going to take the support of idioms. I hope the definition is conveyed. There are so many idioms which are used according to the situation. So some of them I will be discussing with you people with English, Urdu meanings and with a sentence. For example, the idioms will be, number one, if I say, a dark horse, it's an idiom. Basically, it is used, I may say, he's a dark horse in my class. In our gathering, he is considered a dark horse. And dark horse, in Urdu, it means chupa Rustam. A very secretive personality, the one who keeps oneself very reserved, or the one who is not going to show his secrets or plannings to somebody else. I say, he proved himself to be a dark horse. It means we are using this sentence for that particular person, I mean, a dark horse, when we were not expecting somebody to do something. For example, there was a student who was not exposing himself to be a position holder, but when the result was announced, that movement, his name was at the top. So that movement, we can say he proved himself to be a dark horse. Next idiom we'll be discussing in today's class, that is cherry on the cake. Cherry on the cake. Cherry on the cake, we use that movement when we are getting something more than our expectations. In Urdu, it means sone pe sohaga. Like, what sentence will be made? For example, his presence in the party was the cherry on the cake for me. On the cake for me. It means I was not expecting that my best friend or my bosom friend or my chum, my fast friend will be in the party. But the moment I entered the hall, thereupon I saw what my friend was present over there. So what I said in covered form, that his presence in the party was a cherry on the cake for me. It means that was something additional, unexpected for me, that he was present in the party. And the third idiom will be for today, let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. What we want to say when we are going to use this idiom, it means raaz fash karna. They let the cat out of the bag in front of everyone. In front of everyone. It means we could have said that he exposed the secret, but instead of saying that, we are saying he let the cat out of the bag in front of everybody. One thing one must keep in one's mind, that whenever we are going to use these idioms, sometimes a verb is also attached in idiom. So whatever tense we are going to use, in that particular tense, the verb will be converted according to the form of that particular tense. For example, if you are making or using idiom in present indefinite tense, so let will become lets with the singular names. If you are going to use the same idiom in the present continuous tense, that movement you need to use, that will become letting the cat out of the bag. So this is what I want to say. And what I feel, this is enough for today. Inshallah, in my coming tutorial, I will bring some more idioms, and I will definitely collect some good collection of idioms, and that will help us a lot, because whenever we have no words to say, so that moment we are going to have our message, or we are going to convey our message in a covered form, and for that we have the only source, that is idiom. So thank you very much. That's enough for today. Inshallah, we too see you in the coming tutorial. Keep on watching my videos. like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that I may keep on sharing such informative videos for you people. Thank you. See you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.